to check it because
You're gonna check?
the 60 quid toy washing machine that Logan is working towards by doing all his schoolwork. Are you filming my belly? Or are you filming the...
Sorry. I'm gonna stop the video.
Ta-da!
My god. Does it actually work? I can't believe it works.
I don't know what it does. Let's have a look. Just a mess here, isn't it?
Yeah, because it was breakfast before. She hasn't eaten her breakfast, has she?
No, she didn't want it. She had one of those yogurty pouch things.
Oh, alright.
So she had something. So. I'm not sure where she got it. She went into a bag and pulled it out of her bag, but it wasn't the one from the lunch.
Oh, right. Okay, she found one somewhere. Alright.
So, let's have a look.
What's it say?
Replica toy with child compatible functions. What are the child compatible functions?
Oh my god.
Rotating drum, 4 washing cycles with original sounds, and compartments with 2 detergent containers. Ah.
Lovely. It's got a little pipe there, look.
Oh yeah, what's that about then?
Drain
Works
water.
with or without water. Fill via the washing powder compartment. Drain using the little hose on the side.
Awesome.
So it actually does wash.
Yeah. German, though.
Yeah, it is. Klein. It's German, isn't it? The toy company.
So just to say, Logan is saw this video online on YouTube about a washing machine, and he said he wanted it. So I took the opportunity to tell him to work hard at school, and if he is doing well in school for the rest of the term, then he might get it. So who promised this? You promised it, didn't you?
Well, I seized it as an opportunity, and it's worked. He spent the last week doing really well with his reading and writing.
Yeah, but you didn't check the price.
No,
and then
batteries, don't I? I have to get the batteries as well.
Okay. You sure we don't have batteries?
No, it takes those big fat ones.
Oh, no.
I don't think we have any of those.
Alright.
No, I think we do.
And yeah, it was 60 quid. Almost faint.
Well, to
price.
be fair though, it seems like it's about 13 quid in postaging, 14 quid in postaging.
Oh
so.
my god. Yeah, but you saw them more expensive, didn't you?
In
some places they were like 70 quid.
Yeah.
We managed to find one that wasn't that bad. What are we gonna talk about, Logan?
Okay. I'm trying to play bus.
What is that? Is that a story about a fish giving you 3 wishes? And what are the wishes you asked for? What do you ask? What do you ask? Did you ask for I can ride a train?
I can ride the plane.
I wish I can ride a bus. Is that your 3 wishes? Yes. You've been working hard at school today? You've been working hard a lot, haven't you? Why are you working so hard? Is it because of the washing machine? Where is the washing machine coming from? To Moreland Gate, where you live. Right. Where is it coming from? Do you remember? From which country? It's from Germany. Do you remember that? Yeah. How long is it gonna take? It's gonna come once you finish school this term, right? So we are keeping a tag of what days you're doing well, which days you're doing well, and you get a smiley face, right? Do you think you're gonna get a smiley face today?
Yes.
Yes. What have you done at school today? What do you do today? Do you do reading? And what else? What else do you do? What else do you do? Do you remember? Do you remember?
I remember.
What do you remember then? Tell me.
A boat.
Where are you off to? Bye then.